Hi, dear children. Good morning to one and all. So, from last class, we have been studying the topic fractions and decimals. In part 1 video of this topic, we learned the definition of fraction, types of fractions, so on. Today, we are going to learn addition and subtraction of like fractions. Dear students, in part 1 video, we learned what are like fractions, and I given some examples of like fractions in part 1 video. Yes, anyone give me the examples of like fractions or what are like fractions? Yes, good. Two or more fractions having same denominator are called like fractions. For example, 2 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3. Observe these three fractions. What is the special in these three fractions? They have same denominators. Same denominators. So such fractions are called what? Like fractions. Clear? This we studied in part 1 video. Today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of fractions. Especially first we learn addition and subtraction of like fractions. Dear children, it is very easy to add or subtract like fractions. For example, observe 2 by 3, 5 by 3. Both are like fractions. To add these two like fractions, make a fraction. Both the given fractions are like, means they have same denominator. Write the denominator as it is in the denominator place, and then add the numerators, that is 2 plus 5. Then add. What is the sum of 2 and 5? Yes, very good. That is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7 divided by 3. In this way, we add or subtract like fractions. Consider 7 by 3 minus, shall take another denominator, 7 by 5 minus 6 by 5. First observe the denominators. Denominators are same. So means both the fractions are like fractions. We have to find the difference. 7 divided by 5 minus 6 divided by 5. What is the difference? This is our subtraction of fractions. So they have same denominator. Make a fraction. In the denominator, write 5 and subtract the numerators. That is 7 minus 6. What is the difference? Subtract 6 from 7. What is the answer? Anyone? Yes, very good. It is 1. And write this 5 as it is. When you subtract 6 by 5 from 7 by 5, the answer is 1 divided by 5. Dear children, this is the case about addition and subtraction of like fractions. It is very easy. So write the denominator as it is, add the numerators. Here also write the denominator. They have same denominator, no? Write that denominator and find the difference of the numerators. Then simplify. Clear? Okay. Write down. These are the examples. Right. Next, just to learn how to add or subtract like fractions. So next one is addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. In part 1 video, dear children, we learned what are unlike fractions. Give me examples. Consider 2 by 3, 5 by 8, 7 by 6. These are called unlike fractions. Why these are called unlike fractions? Fractions having different denominators. These fractions have different denominators. That is why these fractions are called unlike fractions. So about unlike fractions, we learn how to add and subtract unlike fractions. Dear children, we go through the examples. Listen, observe. Example, consider the fraction 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. These two fractions are unlike fractions because they have different denominators. The question is add these two fractions. To add any two or more unlike fractions, observe the denominators. The first step of adding is that find the LCM of denominators. We have to find LCM of 3 and 2. That is LCM of denominators we have to find. So tell me, what is the LCM of 3 and 2? You have been finding the LCM from 5th standard. Yes? Just tell me what is the LCM? How to find the LCM of 3 and 2? Listen. 3. This is 2. 3 1 ja 3. 2 is not there in 3 table. So write this 2 as this. Again, this 2 is divisible by 2 only. So 2 1 ja 2. Then this product is the LCM of 3 and 2. Therefore, LCM 3 into 2, that is 6. 6 is what? LCM of 3 and 2. So what is the LCM of 3 and 2? 6. Here just I showed how it is 6. Yes, this you are doing since 5th standard. Okay. Now, what is the first step? To add any two or more unlike fractions. First step is find the LCM of denominators and then make a fraction. Here means in denominator place write the LCM. In denominator, what you should write? LCM we should write. Understood? Then observe very carefully. Come to the first fraction. Its denominator is 3. 3 how much are 6? Yes, dear children, 3 how much is 6? Very good. 3 2 ja 6. So 3 how much is 6? 3 2 ja. Write that 2 over this 2. Understood? Then here see the denominator is 2. 2 how much are 6? 2 3 ja 6. So write that 3 over 5. Then multiply 2 into 2 4. Write the same sign. Whether it is plus or minus, you have to write as it is. In this case, it is plus now. So write here plus sign. 3 into 5. 3 5 ja 15. Very good. 15. Then find the sum of 4 and 15. What is the sum? 19 divided by 6. So the sum of these two fractions is what? 19 divided by 6. Dear children, here what we did? First step is that, and the fractions are unlike, to add or subtract, first we should find the LCM of denominators. Understood? Here we obtained the LCM of denominator 3 and 2 is 6. Then in the next step, make a fraction in its denominator, write the LCM as 6. Then come to the first fraction. 3 how much are this 6? 3 2 ja. Write that 2 over this numerator. 2 how much are 6? 2 3 ja. Write that multiple over 5. Then multiply 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 5 15. Then here is a plus, means we have to add. So 4 plus 15 is 19. So this is what? The sum of these two unlike fractions. Understood? Now consider another case. 7 by 3 minus 5 by 8. Or here take this as 4. So observe both the fractions. Are they like fractions or unlike fractions? Both are unlike fractions. Yes. So to find the difference of these two fractions, we follow the same procedure. What we done in the first example now, we follow the same procedure. That is, what we should do? We should find the LCM of 4 and 8. Yes. LCM of 4 and 8. Yes. Now both 4 and 8 are divisible by 2. So 2 2 ja 2 4 ja. Again both are divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Again this 2 is divisible by 2. That is 2 1 ja. So the LCM is product of these three. LCM, that is 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. This is what? LCM. This you learned in your previous classes. There are various methods. If you got coaching classes in 5th standard, without doing this, you can easily identify the LCM. Now here clearly 4 and 8 are both are divisible by 4. So here LCM of 4 and 8 is what? 8. Next step, make a fraction. In the denominator of this fraction, what we should write? Observe the video. We should write the LCM. Here see what is the LCM? 4 and 8. that is 8. Here children, write this LCM in the denominator. Then 4 how much I get? 4 2s are. So write here 2. 8 how much I get? 1s are. So write 1 over 5. Then what do we do next step? Multiply 2 into 7. 2 7s are 14 minus 1 into 5. What is the answer? 1 5s are 5. You can do multiply in this way also. 7 into 2 14, 5 into 1 5. No problem. Just next 14 minus 5. We have to find the difference. Just tell me what is the answer? 14 minus 5. Yes, it is 9 divided by 8. Here children, in this way, other fractions are unlike. To add or subtract those fractions, first step is that we have to find the LCM of denominators, and we make a fraction. In the denominator of that new fraction, we write the LCM, then convert each numerator to the product of LCM, then find the difference. Clear? This is about addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Dear children, write these examples. Okay, my dear children, we learned addition and subtraction of like fractions and unlike fractions. Shall we move into the exercise? Okay. Here is an exercise 2.1. First main, solve. Yes, try to solve. Observe the video. See the first problem. 2 minus 3 divided by 5. So dear children, this is the case. Here 2 is a whole number. 3 by 5 is a fraction. This is of the type subtraction of a fraction from whole number. So whatever the type it may be, we follow the same rule. Just tell me, what is the denominator of this whole number? Anyone? What is the denominator of whole number? Yes, very good. A whole number has a 1 as a denominator. If there is nothing is missed, there is 1 is always. A whole number has 1 as a denominator. So write here 1. Now 1 and 5 are unlike, so means this is subtraction of unlike fractions. To subtract any two unlike fractions, recall, just we discussed what we do first. First we should take LCM of 1 and 5. Yes, no? So write the LCM. LCM of 1 and 5. Dear children, yes, what is the LCM of 1 and 5? Observe. 1 1 jar, 1 5 jar, 5 1 jar. So LCM, product of these 1 into 5, 1 5 jar 5. What is the LCM? LCM is 5. LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Then make a fraction. In the denominator of this fraction, write the LCM, that is 5. Then go at first fraction, observe its denominator. 1 how much are 5? 1 5 are 5. Then we should then 5 over 2. 1 how much are 5? 1 5 are. So write that 5 here. Understood? 5 how much are 5? 5 1 are 5. So write that 1 at 3. Then multiply. 5 into 2, or we can do the multiply in this way, 2 into 5, 10. What is the sign here? Minus. 3 into 1, 3. So what is the difference? 10 minus 3. Subtract 3 from 10. What is the answer? 7. Very good. 7 divided by 5. So the difference of a whole number and a fraction is what? 7 divided by 5. Clear? Okay. See the next sum. This is also the same case, but here it is positive. No need to worry. Do the same procedure. That is, this 4 is 1 as a whole number. It has 1 as a denominator. Next, both are different. So we should take the LCM. So LCM of 1 and 8. Yes, dear children, what is the LCM of 1 and 8? Yes, very good. This is 8. Shall I write it correctly? Yes. Okay. LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. So make a fraction. Write the denominator as 8. Next, come to the first fraction. 1 how much is 8? 1 8 ja 8. 8 how much is 8? 8 1 ja 8. Here we should write 1. Then multiply 4 into 8 or 4 8 ja 32 plus 7 into 1 or 7 1 ja 7. So what is the sum of 32 and 7? Very good. That is 39 divided by 8. This is the answer. Understood? See the next one. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Both are the two fractions given are unlike because they have different denominators. First, what we should take? We should find their LCM. So LCM of denominators we should find 11 and 15 is, yes, shall we calculate? Okay, see 11 15. 11 is divisible by itself. 11 1 ja 15 is divisible by 15 is not divisible by 11. So write 15 as it is. 15 is divisible by itself. So 15 1 ja. So the LCM of 11 into 15 is how much? Yes, multiply 15 and 11. 11 5 ja 55. 11 1 ja 11. 11 plus 5 16. So what is the LCM? 165. 165. So make a fraction in its denominator. What we should write? We should write the LCM. The LCM is 165. We should write that 165. Observe 11. How much is 165? 11 15 is 165. So write here 15. 15 how much is 165? Very good. 15 11 is 165. 15 11. Now we multiply 15 and 9. 15 9 is, yes dear children, 15 9 is 9 5 is 9 1 9, 9 plus 4 13. 135. And then what is the sign here? Minus. Write there minus n because there is a minus in sum. 4 into 11 or 4 11 ja or 11 4 ja 44. Then we should find the difference. Subtract 44 from 135. Observe 135, 44. Subtract 5 minus 4, 1. 13 minus 4. What is 13 minus 4? It is 9. Minus, carry 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the answer there? 91 divided by 165 is the answer. In this way, we add or subtract unlike fractions. If they are like, that is very easy to add or subtract. If they are unlike, so we should find the LCM of denominators. Then we simplify. These are the solutions of exercise 2.1, first one, second one. Dear children, this is homework for you. Third one, do yourself. This is fourth one. So take a short note or pause the video, write the notes. We will come back.